In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store URL domain on desktop, plus some important things to know. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and open Settings. From there, choose Domains. This is the control center for everything related to your store's web address. If you want a new public-facing URL, you'll add a custom domain, like yourstore.com. You have two options here. You can buy a domain through Shopify, which is the simplest path because Shopify will handle setup for you automatically. Or, if you already own a domain with another provider, choose to connect it. Shopify will guide you through the connection process, and you'll see instructions for updating DNS records with your domain registrar. That typically means pointing the A record and CNAME as Shopify specifies. Don't worry if it doesn't switch instantly. Verification and DNS changes can take some time. Once your custom domain is added and connected, make it the main address visitors see. On the Domains page, find your new domain, choose Change Domain Type, select Primary Domain, and confirm. From that moment, your storefront will display the custom domain, while your original .myshopify.com address will remain in the background for admin use and will redirect to the primary domain. That redirect helps preserve links and SEO continuity. There's also an optional tweak you can make. Shopify allows you to change your store name .myshopify.com subdomain, but only once. If you want to do that, stay on the Domains page and look for the option that says Change to a new myshopify.com domain. Enter your new subdomain and click Add Domain. After the change, your old myshopify.com address will automatically redirect to the new one. Be sure you're happy with the choice because it's a one-time change. A few important things to keep in mind. The .myshopify.com URL is primarily for internal or admin use. For customers, a custom domain is best for branding and trust. When you switch the primary domain, Shopify sets up redirects from the old domain to the new one. Domain updates, especially DNS changes, can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide, and SSL certificates are issued automatically during that period. If you don't see the change right away, give it time, and test in a private or incognito window to avoid cached results. That's it. Your store's URL is updated, and you're set with a clean, professional domain.